Hi, my name is Sam Jones. I'm a fourth-year industrial technology and packaging major here in the College of Business, and I'm super excited to show you around.
In the Orfalea College of Business, there are 3 majors: business administration, economics, and industrial technology and packaging. If you are a business or economics student, you have the option to choose from 12 concentrations as your area of focus. Some concentrations are accounting, finance, consumer packaging, marketing. So while you have to choose your major coming into Cal Poly, you have until the end of your second year to declare your concentration. If you are an industrial technology and packaging major, you can choose between the industrial technology concentration or the packaging concentration. One of the best parts about the Orfalea College of Business is our student services program. This is kind of a 2-pronged program where not only are these services free to students, but also it's a way for students to have a job and get paid throughout college while giving back. So we have peer advisors who are our curriculum gurus who can help you with your scheduling. We have peer mentors who is just someone to give you more one-on-one advice on adjusting to college. We also have career peer advisors who can help students with interviews, resumes, anything career related. We also have a program called the Multicultural Business Program, MBP, that helps underrepresented students find a community here at the College of Business. Under MBP is a group called Transformation, which is a support group for transfer students to just build that community at the College of Business and get to know one another. And lastly, we have the student ambassadors who give the tours of the College of Business and are the more external-facing piece of student services. There's also 5 professional academic advisors in the College of Business, so if there's a matter that's a little more sensitive or needs more attention than from a peer, we have those advisors readily available.
Something unique about Cal Poly is that you start your major classes day 1 of college. An incredible class offered in the business school is our Intro to Marketing class. Students are broken up into teams, and you have the opportunity to recreate a Shark Tank product pitch where your teacher is essentially the investor. The classroom is structured to facilitate collaboration and group work. The average class size in the Orfalea College of Business is 40 students, where each student has the opportunity to get to know their professor on a personal level. The professors at Cal Poly are what makes students career ready day 1. Each professor has 2 office hours for each hour they have class. Most of their doors stay open even when they do not have office hours. They are a great resource if you need help understanding class material or if you want general life advice.
An initiative for the College of Business is for each student to have an international experience. One way to have an international experience is through study abroad. Study abroad programs can be in over 100 different countries and range anywhere from 4 weeks to an entire year, depending on what program you choose. Another way to get an international experience are through OCOB international trips provided by the college. These are 10 to 14-day trips that are led by faculty or staff, and how they differ from study abroad is not only are they shorter, but also instead of classes, you go visit companies in the country you're visiting, as well as cultural experiences. If you're interested in entrepreneurship, not only is there concentration for that, but we also have a program called the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Underneath the Center for Innovation for Entrepreneurship, or the CIE as we call it, there are 3 different places to get a startup up and running. First, we have the Innovation Sandbox that has 3D printers and other materials in order to make a prototype or start a business plan. Then we have the Hatchery, which is an incubator for your small business. Then we have the Hot House Downtown, which is an office space for small businesses within Cal Poly and also in the SLO community.
Each concentration offered at the College of Business has its own club. These clubs host their own career fairs. These career fairs are essential when looking for jobs and internships. Instead of going to the general Cal Poly career fair, you have the ability to connect and network with a specific industry you are looking for.
Personally, my favorite spot in the business building is the Biz Lab. It used to just be rows of desks with monitors at them, but faculty and staff noticed that students would just push aside the monitors, bring out their own laptops, and work together in groups. So in 2016, they redesigned the space to make it a much more collaborative working space for group projects. It's also where our Career Readiness Center is housed.
Thank you so much for joining us on the tour today. I'm glad you got to see why I love Cal Poly so much. I hope to see you in the fall.